Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this edition of Market Mornings brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. And this update is for Friday, the 28th of April, 2023, final trading day. And I'm calling this one Beating Back the Bear. Yes, what a difference a day makes, as you will see as we look at our charts. So as we do get started here, keep in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendation. If you like what you see, make sure you follow along, not only here on YouTube to keep up with the videos we put out each and every day, but follow along with some of the other social platforms out there just to keep up with all the latest and greatest. We put content out on these sites every single day. Make sure you head over to tradinglikeaboss.com, where you can also get all of our free content, including today. We've got a live training special treat with this guest, with what they're going to be teaching. We've got a live training today called, you ready for it? Trading Coaches Playbook, guys. We do it each and every Friday, but there's a great topic set up for today you don't want to miss out on. All right, so with that, let's go ahead and jump right in. So we've got core PCE coming up, which is at 8:30. Unemployment cost index is also 8:30. That's quarter over quarter. 9:45, markets open. Chicago PMI, Purchasing Managers Index, and a revision of consumer sentiment is at 10 o'clock. So those two reports, the last two, could have a trigger on what happens in the market while it's open. We look at the futures and we're mostly red, right? The S&P is down 11.75, hence the beating back the bear, right? Or beating back the beast, rather. The Dow is down 104, the NASDAQ is down 30.5, the RUT's down 8, Bitcoin's down 4.25, which puts it, it's still on over 29K, 29.5 almost. 19.18 for Ethereum, down 11. Gold is down 7. Crude, kind of flat, but we're back above that 75 level yet again. There is an abundance of candidates today. I crossed off 5 or 6 that are still potentials for today, but I just had to break this down to a manageable chunk. My goal is to get you in and out of here in under 8 minutes, so let's see if we can't get that accomplished today. So we're going to start off by looking at the S&P 500. Why 8? It's a fib number. Why else? So S&P 500, man, it just rocked yesterday. It just made back the last 2 days' losses. Yes, awesome. We got back into Tuesday's numbers, or Monday's numbers, and we're failing again today, right? We're down about 10 or so on the S&P right now, on the futures, give or take. So that 41.12 is going to be a key level right now. Are we going to hold above that 8 and bounce? That would be a great setup if we can do that. Without a doubt, that's exactly what we want to see, is that bounce off of the 8. If it fails, 40.94. If it does bounce and move up, 41.45, and then 41.69 are our next upside targets. We look at AMGN as our very first candidate. AMGN, this is all earnings again today. They got earnings out. They're down 4.34 right now. I guess drugs are not doing so well for them. They're down at 2.36. It puts us right at support. 236 to 46, that's $10. We need to split that level in half. So let's go ahead and add in a negative 136 and a 118. All right, we got those in there now. And we're going to look at a better call spread above 241. All right, so that's first. Next, let's go look at COF. Also earnings today. They're down $3.30. On earnings, of course. Let's see, that puts them down at 92. So we've got 95 and 87. So 87, 538. We definitely need to split levels there as well. So we're going to add a 118 and a negative 136. Both have to go in. Okay. All right. So we're sitting at 92.69, so still above that level. We're going to look at a bear call spread above 95. We got $1 increments here, so we'll go with 95. CVX. Earnings out. They're down about $1 right now, 166 even. So we're okay. We don't need a fib inside of there, but we're going to look at a bear call spread above 169. I like it. Energy has not been doing well lately. Overall. First Solar. You got ExxonMobil is out as well today. Check them out. They're not on our list, but check them out. First Solar earnings, and they are down $17 to 184. Woo! It's an elevator, baby. Not a train, not a stairs. It's an elevator going fast. So we're all the way down there. We're going to look at a bear call spread above If we're at 184, we're looking at 189. Intel, INTC. All right, let's see the whole fib, if you would please, sir. Thank you. All right, so they're out on earnings today. They're up. Bullish move today on Intel. They're up $1.86 to 31.72. So they're up in bullish territory right here. A bull put spread done right at that 31.35 level when they're at 31.73, right like there, is too close. Just way too close for me. So 29 to 31 is $2. We probably should split that level in half. So let's go ahead and look at a bull put spread below 30. All right. MDLZ also out on earnings. The only other candidate that's up today, they are up $2.26, right to 76 bucks. So it blew up right through that 74 level. Let's scrunch the chart down. All right, good. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below. Oh, wow, we're up above 74.92. 76, below 75. Wow, we really moved up there. Really nice for them. And then last is Pins, which is Pinterest. They're down $3.73. Big percentage mover for them. They already were in a neutral bias yesterday. Bearish neutral bias yesterday. So they already had that downside connotation. They're down to 23.5 right now. Wowzer! They're way down here. So we do have 50-cent increments. We're going to look at a bear call spread above 24.5. All right, there's still a little bit of time left for that 8 minutes. Guys, I hope you took that Tesla trade yesterday. Not Tesla, sorry. It was a different trade. Meta, yesterday we got about 35 cents of credit. Wasn't great, but 35 cents credit there. Buyback for a nickel. It was outstanding. So hopefully you're able to capitalize on that from yesterday's setups. Make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, it's Friday. Be cautious. You're just one trade away. Take care, everybody. I will see you on the next update. Bye for now.